UMP Ktien usudep bando padha minta ka atri unailar ulara hapo parlemen ban Pynrung no ya Ktien Khasi bergaro ha ka Khyrnit bapra Jong ka Riti Synshar kari India.
सर मैं एक उत्तर पूर्व भारत के बारे में बोलेंगे 2 मिनट मुझको समय देना. सर इट इज इंक्लूशन ऑफ गारो एंड खासी लैंग्वेज in the 8th schedule of the constitution. These are belong to Meghalaya. Sir, Article 29 of the constitution provides that a section of citizens having a distinct language, script of culture have the right to conserve the same. Under the Meghalaya State Legislature Act 2005, Garo and Khasi have been declared as associate official languages of the state. Khasi is an Afro-Asiatic language spoken primarily in Meghalaya and in the hill districts of Assam. Garo is a Tibeto-Burman language of the Boro-Konyak-Jingpo group closely related to Bodo. It is primarily spoken in Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland. According to the census 2011, there are over 13 lakh 46.5% Khasi speakers and over 9 lakh 31.5% Garo speakers. Issue in inclusion of these two languages has been the lack of their own original scripts. Sir, in April 27 September 2018, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly adopted a resolution to petition the central government to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the constitution. We urge the union government to take cognizance of the state's demand to include Garo and Khasi in the 8th schedule, sir.